Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing from Beebeecraft. This is a part of the YouTube program, and I will have links in the description box for everything in this video, links to the Beebeecraft homepage, and links to the YouTube program. The YouTube program is open to anybody who has a YouTube channel, and they have to have a minimum of 100 subscribers and engagement on their channel. There will be, you fill out that you're interested in the YouTube program, Beebeecraft take a look at your channel. If you guys are a good fit for each other, you will be notified, and then you can order some stuff from Beebeecraft and use it in your channel. I will say personally, I like the majority of the products that come from Beebeecraft. It's stuff that I would be getting anyway, so it's a win-win for me. So I'm going to set this aside, and this is how this will be a little packing list. Comes in everything. I do have over here on my iPad, I do have the order information, so I can tell you the prices of stuff. So I'm trying to get better at my unboxing videos, so we shall see how I do. The first thing I'm going to unbox will be these flowers. I like fabric flowers. I like to use them in my paper crafts. Like to use them in resin. You can use them in so many different ways. Majority of the flowers that I purchase, I know I'm going to have to doctor up in some way. So these are probably going to be no different. I have a huge bag of different types of stamens and stuff that I have, and stamens that I've made. If you're interested in seeing videos on how I make my own stamens for flowers and how I doctor flowers up, make them prettier, I can do a video on that. These are cloth flowers, and these are, you get 100 of them, 100-piece artificial silk. I'm not going to try and pronounce the type of flower, what it says, but it says butterfly orchid head floral bouquet. Okay, so butterfly orchids, and they're come in a few colors. Let's see, you got this one like this. I can tell right away that I don't like the stamen on that, so I would be popping this out and replacing it with one of my stamens that I have. So you got this color, got this one which is a little bigger, this one, and you got the pink one. I like it. There's a lot you can do with these. A lot you can do with these. And I just like having a variety of flowers. And you get 100 of them. But yeah, I don't like that stamen. But you can work with these. So, I like it a lot. If for anything else, like this one, it came apart, you can use it as a template for paper flowers, or there's so many things you can do with these. And these cost, for 100 of these, they were $7.69, which is not bad for the amount you get. So let me know, and I can do, like I said, I can do videos on how I will make these prettier and stuff like that. So yeah, so we'll set that to the side. I'm going to clean up this here. Okay, the next thing are these. It's a little late for Halloween stuff, but I had this package since before Halloween. I'm just getting to it, but I figured I could use these next Halloween. I noticed that there's something in this one. I don't know if it's part of the silicone. Yeah, that's in the silicone. So anyway, you get 6 of them. 6 of these. And these measure 3 1/8 by 2 1/4. Yeah, 6 of them. I will be having a giveaway when I reach 5,000 subscribers. I will be having a large giveaway of pieces of silicone. So a lot of the stuff where I have extra molds, I've been putting the extra ones up. So I will be having, I don't know how I'm going to be doing the giveaway, but there will be a giveaway. And this will be, a couple of these will be added to the giveaway. Obviously not the one that's got the little mark in the silicone. You really can't see it. I'm finicky. But yeah, so you get 6 of these. I'm sorry, let me tell you. These are, it says Halloween theme pendant food grade silicone molds. You get 6 of them for $4.31. So got that. So I'm not going to bother putting them back in the bag because I don't store my molds in these. I store them in Ziploc baggies and stuff like that. Oh Lord, look at this. What the heck is this? Okay, this is a food grade silicone mold, fondant, cake decoration. It says chocolate candy, UV resin, epoxy resin. It says quantity 1, but I guess their quantity, I don't even know how many's in here. You get 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Are they all the same? Yes. These are all the same. Let me open one up. So apparently I will be having some of these for a giveaway. Oh, those are cute. What is it? Like cherry blossom. I think that's what that is. It comes with the 2 leaves and the little branch. That is cute. It's a nice mold. That's a really nice mold. Yeah. So I will be putting these back in here. So I'm not going to open all of these. But I will be keeping, I don't know, maybe 4 of these for myself. And putting some up for giveaways. Because I don't need 20 of them. I got these. I don't know if I mentioned this. For these, they were $10.87 for 20. Which would be good, like if you're doing a lot for cakes or if you just need a bunch. You don't want to wait for them to cure. This here is, you get 20-piece insect theme open bezel charms. Let's see. So it's a 20-piece. Okay. That is a cute little bee. I'm going to zoom in. That is a cute little bee. Get some black cardstock. See how his little feet, his little antenna. Cute. Okay. There's that one. And then you got that beautiful butterfly one. And that beautiful butterfly. I like this one too because it's, the wings are like bent, like they're open. It's not flat. That's really cute. We got that little butterfly. Yeah, this one here. What the heck is this supposed to be? What is that? I cannot tell what that is supposed to be. Could you let me know in the comments what this one is supposed to be? It looks like that would be like the thorax of the body. And I have no idea. I'm looking at it. I have no idea. Let me know if you can figure that one out. But anyway, I believe you get 4 of each. Let me zoom back out just a little bit. So you got 20 of them. You got 4 different designs, 4 of each. And these little things cost $5.33. And they're nice, got a nice weight to them too. Okay, next up is this. This is a heart shaker mold. This is a cute shaker, a cute mold in general. You don't even have to use it as a shaker. But I really like that. You can just do a full heart, I believe. Yeah. And you have that whole area open. Or you can do 2 or 3 little hearts, depending on how you want to do it. But yeah, how big is it? This mold, the whole diameter, the whole size of the mold is 2 3/8 by 2 1/4. So, and you get 5 of them. 5 of these, and they were $5.30. So not bad. These are nice. They're shiny too inside, so it won't be a dull mold. So I have a couple of these for a giveaway, which is nice. And then I got this. This is, what is this? It's an earring display die, and it's $2.15. And I will be doing a video on this. I had seen that fellow YouTuber Beverly. I'll put her video up here somewhere. So check her out. She's got great content. She had gotten one of these, and just to show you, I was making my own out of cardstock. You see the holes? And just using my hole punch. So I was making my own, and then I seen that she had gotten this. So I was like, I need that because I like it. I'm going to get some magnet and get this set up, and I'll show you how I set this up. How I set these up and how I store my dies. So let me get that set up. Okay, for the magnet, one of my sources is the vent covers, and I get these from Home Depot, Lowe's, even Amazon. If I can find it, I'll have it linked. I also have another source. If I can find that, I'll have it linked as well. And then I get these pouches here. I get 100 of them. I'll see if I can find that. If I can, I'll link it. And what I do is, this was a scrap piece that was in that bag, and I just basically, it was on there like so, and I just measured this to where it's smaller than the bag, cut it. This will go in that bag for scrap, and then you take your dies. I already separated them. I used my flush cutters to do that. You want to be careful when you're doing it that you don't bend the dies. And then you take your dies and you sort them. Like this die set has the little different shapes. Like that's a card, I believe, for like a necklace. I think this one would be like the little, oh, I did mine. Oh, it has the little slits there. I believe that's what this is for. Yeah. You put that at the top of the card and it would cut the little slits in there. I got more hanger pieces. If by chance they happen to fall off the magnet, which does happen quite frequently, well, not frequently, but it happens enough to where you want to store it in a bag of some sort. I also have a video on how to make these bags out of laminating sheets. I do that as well. Just have to pick that up without bending it. You just want to carefully insert the magnet sheet with the dies in the pouch. And you can store it like that. That way, I hope I wasn't too zoomed in. That way, you store it like this. If they were to fall off, they would end up in the pouch and not on the floor or all that good stuff. So that is that. So I will definitely be doing a video on this. This is my Beebeecraft unboxing video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do in the comment section down below. Your likes and your comments really help my channel out a lot. It lets YouTube know that people are not only watching my channel, but they're engaging with my channel and they will put my video in front of more people. That will help me out tremendously. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. Could not do this without you. And you have a great day and God bless. Bye.